If you have Gemini Advanced, you should see this Help Me Write tool when you open a new Google document. We're going to go ahead and press that, and we're going to paste that same prompt from earlier. A detailed, insightful essay. We're going to press Create. You can go back in your previous documents and edit them with this tool as well. Okay, there we have it. It generated the essay for us. We're going to go through. There at the bottom, I'm going to press the Refine button. Here you can change the tone. You can make it more casual or more formal. You can summarize, bulletize, elaborate, shorten, or retry. If you find something you like, then you will go ahead and press the Insert button. Like I mentioned, you can actually go back in your documents that you've already written and do this as well, but for now I'm just going to demonstrate on this essay since we have it here open. Notice if I click somewhere, you're going to get that Help Me Write tool again on the left. So I'm going to highlight an area and click Help Me Write. And if I do this, I can change the tone or do any of these actions for that specific paragraph. So I'm going to make this one more casual. If I like it, I'll go ahead and click Replace. So now that specific paragraph is in there and it's more casual. Now I'm going to highlight a different paragraph. And let's say that I want this one to be bullet points. So I'm going to bulletize it here and replace that. So this is great for creating new documents or editing documents very quickly.